Alright, so as we just saw, the old boat, the old new boat, is gonna be replaced by a new old boat. And here she is. So we've got a 99 Glacier Bay 2670 that I just purchased. It's in a little bit of a rough condition. She's an old girl, been used, but should be worth the switch. So she's got twin Honda 130s with 1,200 hours on them. They run good. Good compression all around. I think it was like about 180 psi per cylinder on both engines, which, you know, pretty good. But we're gonna go ahead and replace them. So I've got two Suzuki 150s on order. They're about 6 months out, so we'll probably end up doing part of the summer on these 130s and then bringing her in to get the motor swap. Some rough spots, lots of rough spots. Definitely needs some TLC. I've already got new hatches, waterproof hatches, deck plates. Keep those sponsons nice and dry. So the plan here is to address all of the fiberglass issues, which is nothing major. Just some spider cracking up on the deck, as you normally see. I mean, shoot, the boat's 21 years old. It's not going to be perfect. There's some repairs that were done that were less than ideal, but this is all stuff that is easily fixed. Overall, the hull is in really good condition. I can't complain about it. It's got autopilot, which doesn't work, so I'll have to figure out what's going on there. It's got older electronics, I'd say probably from mid-2000s. I haven't looked at the dates. New radio. Yeah, there's some issues. Trailer bunks need to be replaced. I've got a caddy coming for it, so it's going to be living in a boatel at the marina, or on a cradle, not a caddy. So that way I don't have to worry about leaving it in the water and bottom painting it. I mean, it's already slow as it is. It doesn't need bottom paint to slow it down anymore. Let's crawl up and see how dirty she is. She's a dirty girl. Glacier Bay catamaran. Alright. So, isinglass was actually recently replaced. Just the glass, but not the canvas. I think the canvas will clean up quite nice. It's a bummer they use two different color stitches or threads, but hey, I mean, it's all in one piece, so there's that. All of the seats and bolsters show their age quite well and need to be replaced. Oops, little sink. Dirty. Everything's dirty. Some fiberglass issues over here. That's pretty bad there. I think that's probably the worst I've seen. So this is kind of a bad design, I'm noticing. Rainwater will collect here and not go down the drains. Wonder if I can put a drain in there. Oh, got a cat staring at me. What you doing, cat? You come hang out? Come on up. Come on. Yep. Fish boxes. Collecting rain. Wonder how. Well, I know how. I need to replace these seals. These are, like, not there. Alright. I need to do that before winter sets in. I'm going to keep these dry and clean. That hinge is coming up. A little loose. Let's see. Yeah. Vinyl's in pretty poor shape. Take a look at what we got up here. Leaves. And old electronics. Newer radio. Looks like it's pretty easy access to the dome. I've got a Garmin 1243 on order with the Phantom 18-inch dome and the, what was it? The something 56 transducer. I forget the name. So the previous owner put one of these foam mattress beds in here, and well, put it in all rolled up, and then unrolled it, and it inflated, and it's not coming out unless I cut it up, and I can't roll it back up. So I'll be doing that shortly. And we've got this lovely wiring mess down here to clean up. That is going to be probably, I want to say, the first project. Start doing the electrical. Get that all taken care of. I'm going to start, well, I'll do some gel coat work too, while the weather permits. But I fear that most of the gel coat stuff is going to have to wait till the spring. Well, there she is. So yeah, going from a new boat, well, 2017 Jeanneau NC695. Sold it. New owner should be here on Saturday to pick it up, if all goes well. There's the trailer for it. I don't think you can see it through the glass. It's over there somewhere. But yeah, sold that boat. Well, bought this one first. At first, we were planning on just keeping the other boat. So keeping both. But then I asked myself, why? Why would I want to do that? I don't need the other boat. This one should be all we need. So, listed it, and 2 days later it was sold. I guess I priced it too low. Oh well. Still coming out okay on it. So, yeah, sold our new little boat to get an older, bigger boat. But she's going to have all new electronics, all new motors, going with the Suzuki 150 digitals. So that'll be nice. And eventually, if I can, I want to put the Optimus 360 on there with the joystick control. But that means I got to change out to electronic steering, and that'll be another chunk of money, maybe for next winter. So, what to do about the upholstery? I was thinking we might try to do it ourselves. I don't think it should be that hard, but it probably won't turn out as nice as a professional. So, and there's not a whole lot here to do. There's just this seat. Probably going to replace this captain's seat. And then the 2 bolsters. So yeah, that's probably worth taking to a shop. Oh, Bimini. You know what? I never opened this. So I have no idea if there's even canvas on the Bimini or not. Oh, there is. Holy cow, that looks good. This cover doesn't. Definitely need a new cover. A little faded, but shoot, it's in good condition. All right. All in all, I think we did quite well on this boat. You know, I got it for basically the price of a bare hull, and it's got 2 running Honda 130s. I did have a mechanic come check them out. Like I said, did a compression test. They were all around 180. There was a couple little issues. VFD tank on this one needs to be cleaned. Probably both of them do. Oil's phenomenal. Probably need to check the lowers. Just put new oil in there. But yeah. Can't wait to start using it. It's going to be much better. So the main reason for doing this is that little Jeanneau was a NC695, so it was 24 foot length overall, and kind of a crappy hull design. In anything over 1 or 2 foot chop, you know, you can't go more than 15 knots. Otherwise, you know, you get in spinal compressions and brief moments of zero gravity if you're sitting in the forward berth. And that's no fun. It's no fun for the family, no fun for me. Can't get down to the fishing spots in any decent time or get home from them. Whereas this ain't gonna have those issues. You know, it's not a fast boat, but she'll definitely do a lot better in the chop. Heck of a lot better. You know what, I've never looked in this cooler. Yep, it's cooler. But all in all, like I said, there's some minor gel coat issues here and there. Old electronics, dirty. But all that can be fixed and replaced, and is and will. Is and will. Can't wait for the new motors. That'll be nice. Cool. Well, done for now. I think the next video will be probably starting to pull out some of these electronics, putting the new stuff in, at least planning out the new stuff, seeing where things are going to go, how they're going to fit. Excited. Good times. Good times. All Alrighty. Adios.